A bustling weekend across Friuli Venezia Giulia. Where are you from and how are you enjoying Trieste?
I'm from Japan and I'm enjoying so much. Yes, I'm living here. This is the best moment for me to enjoy, to stay outside. Yeah.
How are you going to be enjoying the weekend?
We're from Austria, actually. And we're just here because it's my birthday today. So we enjoy our day in Trieste. I've been swimming and eating and drinking, so it's perfect.
I'm from the south of Italy, a city named Potenza, and I've been in Trieste for 5 years now, and it's like an amazing city, and it's so lovely to stay here, and I hope to stay here as long as possible.
I'm from Trieste, and I think I'm going to have a walk by the seaside since it's going to be a nice weather, so let's hope for it. It's getting warm, so spring is coming.
I'm from Los Angeles in America. Yeah, and my plans. Wait. He's here, he lives here, and I came to visit him, so he's going to be taking me around Trieste.
I think so. First of all, of course, the sunset in Trieste, right here on the pier, and then probably on to the castle, of course, of Miramar. It's like a fairy tale-like castle, beautiful, and then probably to the Formaggino, the church, the Brutalistic church.
Did you tell me it was?
Oh no, it's not proper. It's not proper. And then just like around like there's more bars, local bars and such. Yeah.